the Great Birthday Cake Rescue.
Are you excited for your birthday party tomorrow, Greg?
Yeah, I've got lizard balloons, lizard decorations. I've even got a lizard cake.
Whoa, that's great, Greg. But when it's my birthday, I'm going to have a Master Fang party. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Oh-ya-ya-ya! Whoa! Whoa!
I think I'll stick to my lizard theme. Come on, the party's all set up. My decorations! And, my lizard cake's gone.
Aw, I'm sorry, Greg.
Yeah, me too. But hey, we could get all those Master Fang decorations from next door instead.
Connor, can't you see Greg's upset?
Look, Ninjalino prints. That means Night Ninja has my cake.
We'll get it back. Right, Connor?
Sure. Or... No, absolutely. It's your birthday, Greg. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes... Greg becomes...
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes...
Catboy!
The PJ Masks! Let's get my lizard cake to the Gekko-mobile!
You know what's great about a Master Fang party?
Oh, gasping geckos! That's my cake. After them.
Well done, Ninjalinos. And here come the PJ Masks. Come to admire my cake?
It's not your cake, it's Gekko's cake.
Not anymore. It's my party. And you're not invited. Now, time for party games.
You can't have a birthday party when it's not your birthday. Not with my cake.
Huh? Hey, Night Ninja, I bet we can beat you in a party game.
You what?
Let's play Blind Man's Bluff.
Like you could beat me. But if you want to try, we're playing Pass the Parcel.
But I want to play Blind Man's Bluff.
No, it's my party, so I pick the game.
Then I'm not playing.
Good. I didn't want you to play anyway.
You guys keep Night Ninja busy. I'll get the cake.
Oh, Gekko and I will still play. And you'll still lose. Ninjalinos, parcel. Okay, we pass this around till the music stops. Then whoever has it unwraps the layer.
What music?
Ha-ha!
What?
Oh, the music stopped. Lucky me. Okay, next round. Me again. Oh, I told you I was good. What? How many more layers? I'm so lucky. Finally! Oh, look. It's my very own me.
Night Ninja does everything the best.
Maybe.
Huh?
But we've got the cake. Yes!
Gotcha!
cool chameleons, Catboy. You got my cake.
Whoa! But check out this cake, Gekko. Oh, it's the cat's whiskers.
He doesn't want a Master Fang cake, Catboy. Now let's go.
But... Oh... Hey, guys! Wait up! Whoa! What's going on?
Catboy!
Whoa! Whoa! Gotcha! Uh-oh!
Thanks. Say bye-bye. Ninjalinos! Careful with my cake. Too bad, PJ Party Poopers. That cake's mine. See ya.
No! Wait!
What is it this time?
What about another party game? Or are you scared we'll beat you this time?
Scared? Fine. We'll play musical chairs, and the winner gets...
Wow! A bunch of Master Fang balloons?
I'll get out in the first round. Then I can get my cake. You keep Night Ninja busy long enough for me to do it. So you can't win.
Balloons!
Okay, Catboy?
Oh, okay.
Hi-ya! Right. When the music stops, everyone has to sit down, if there's a chair. Music! Oh, hi-ya! Ha! You're out, birthday bozo.
Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so unlucky.
You'll never beat Night Ninja!
Super Lizard Grip!
Let's play.
Huh? Sorry, this seat's taken.
Ha! See ya, bird brain. You're out.
Oh, feather sticks.
You're just too good. So it's just you and me left, kitty cat. But you'll let me win, won't you? Because if you don't, I'll drop that cake.
You won't do that.
Oh, yeah? It's my party. And if I don't win, no one gets cake. Catboy, you need to let him win. Whoa! Ha! See ya, pussycat.
Super Cat Speed! Is this seat taken?
How did you... But, Catboy, we told you to let Night Ninja win. What?
But these balloons will be great for Gekko's party. Right, Gekko?
What are you doing, you sticky-fingered lizard? Ninjalinos!
No!
Got it, Gekko! What? No, that's my cake! Hey!
Well, no sign of Night Ninja. Looks like he knows when he's beat.
But you risked Gekko's cake.
We've got it, though, and these amazing Master Fang balloons.
You're not listening. I'm having a lizard party.
You only think that, Gekko. Wait till you see how cool they'll look.
Huh?
The amazing Master Fang cake.
I really wanted the lizard cake, but I'm stuck with this useless one. Unless you want to swap. Never!
Hey! Yes, let's swap.
No, the Master Fang cake?
Yes, this cake is awesome.
Really awesome. Especially if you press here.
Huh? What's going on?
Oh, this isn't just any cake. It's a sticky splat whipped cream splatto cake.
A sticky splat whipped cream splatto cake?
Yes. When the last icing swirl turns blue, it'll blow whipped cream everywhere. And when everyone tries to clean it up, they'll get sticky splat stuck. That'll teach you to try and spoil my party. If everyone gets stuck, no one will be able to come to Gekko's birthday party.
I'm sorry, Gekko. This is all my fault. I might have made a mistake, but now I have an idea. It's time to be a hero.
Time to blow out my candle. Huh? What's all that noise?
Remember, first one in wins.
PJ Pinhead's doing?
Huh?
Wait, is that some kind of party game? Come on, one more round. Oh! Ha-ha! I'm in the Gekko-mobile, so I win. What? Uh-oh! Oh, thanks, Catboy. Stop it, Ninjalinos. It's not funny. Go! Back, you party poopers!
Auto clean.
Huh? Do you think he'd let a cake explode in his Gekko-mobile without it?
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Woohoo! Yay! This really is an awesome party, Greg.
Thank you.
Huh? Master Fang balloons? I thought you liked lizard things better.
I do, but those are for you.
Wow! Thanks, Greg. I'm going to see these for my birthday. I'm having a Master Fang party. Did I tell you? With Master Fang decorations, and a Master Fang cake, and Master Fang games, and Master Fang music, and...
Gekko and the Snore-A-Sauras.
Excited about the puppet show, Greg?
Yeah, check out my puppet.
Look at Greg playing with dolls.
It's not a doll. It's a puppet.
Yeah, whatever. Smell that? The cafeteria's making cookies. Yum!
Don't worry about Cameron, Greg. Let's get a good spot for the puppet show.
Yeah!
What? The puppets. They're gone.
Gone?
Sorry, kids. We can't have a puppet show without puppets.
No!
A moth. Luna Girl must have been behind this.
PJ Masks, we're on our way! Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks!
Let's find those puppets to the cat car!
What was that?
It's gone!
Dance, puppets, dance!
I found the puppets.
Wait, we need to find out what that thing in the road was.
You guys go look for it. I'm just going to go in here and watch the puppets. I mean, stop Luna Girl. Super Gekko camouflage.
No way! It's Cameron!
Yes, he's sleepwalking. He's asleep, but he's dreaming that he's walking around.
We need to get him back to bed.
Yeah, but we can't use super speed or fly him home. That would totally wake him up and give him a bad shock. Yeah!
Huh? Oh, give those puppets back, Luna Girl.
Ha! No chance, lizard legs. Moths, show him what you can do.
Hey, that's not funny.
Aha! Yes, it is. It's the best puppet show ever.
Whoa!
Nice going, lizard boy.
Huh? Okay, here's the plan. Gekko? Gekko, are you okay?
Yeah, but get the puppets.
PJ Masks, to the rescue. Super Cat Speed!
Get them, Moths. Owl Wing Wind! Moths, what are you doing?
Good job, PJ Masks. Are the puppets okay?
Yeah, but Cameron's not. We left him because we thought you were in danger.
Who's Cameron?
I was just trying to get the puppets back. What's Cameron doing here?
Who's Cameron? He's sleepwalking. Who's Cameron? We have to help him get home.
Yeah, he needs our help more than the puppets.
Who's Cameron? I bet he'd make a great puppet.
She's going to wake him. Let's stop her.
Don't just throw the puppets on the floor. Look how great they are. That's it, puppets. Do a little dance, then wave to my friends.
Stay back, Luna Girl. You shouldn't wake a sleepwalker. Maybe I won't wake him, but I will play with him. Come to Luna Girl, puppet boy.
No!
Get out of the way! Gekko, put the puppets down. We need you.
I'll be right there, guys. Come on, puppets. I have to go and help my friends.
He's mine now. Super Owl Wing! Super Cat Jump! Got you, snoring boy!
That's it. Sit down here, nice and comfy. Okay, coming.
Look at him! He looks like a plodding old dinosaur. A snoring dinosaur. I'm going to call him, Snore-A-Sauras.
Wow, Luna Girl's actually pretty good at moving him like a puppet.
Gekko, we need to get that Luna magnet, but we can't wake Cameron.
You wouldn't be in trouble if you hadn't been messing around with those puppets. Are you with us?
Yes, of course. Sorry.
Okay, ready, PJ Masks?
Owl Wing Wind! What? Get off, Moths! My Luna magnet! Give it back!
Okay, Cameron, let's get you to bed. Now, how does this thing work? Whoa!
Gekko, what are you doing?
I'm getting Cameron to safety. Check it out. I'm the Snore-A-Sauras. I'm stomping home to bed. Come on, this way. Oops. Sorry, this way.
Gekko!
Stop messing around!
No, this is good. Now I've got Cameron and the puppets.
Let go of me!
Can't hold on!
Gekko, stop trying to puppeteer him.
You're going to hurt him!
It's okay. I'm getting Cameron to safety.
After him!
Gasping geckos.
That doesn't look very safe.
I can't stop him. If he falls off, he'll really hurt himself.
Yeah, and then he'll definitely wake up.
Maybe I can lift him down.
Whoa.
Oh, it's no good. I can't get to him. Fluttering feathers!
Oh, this is all my fault. If I hadn't been messing around, Cameron would be safe in bed by now.
It's okay, Gekko, but now we need to get him down.
Take this. It's time to be a hero. Super Gekko muscles! I've got him!
Moths, get my Luna magnet back. Come here, Snore-A-Sauras. Almost there. Whoa! Uh-oh! I can't reach him. How can we get him back to the ground?
yummy smell, remember?
Cookies! Super cat speed! Cookies, yes!
Gotcha! You're my puppet now! No! He's mine! No, 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 no! We did it!
Yeah! Where's Cameron?
No!
Phew.
Moonboard! Wait until I get my Luna magnet back!
Come and get it!
Come back here with my Luna magnet!
I've hidden that Luna magnet so well, it'll take her ages to find it. Now let's get Snore-A-Sauras safely to bed. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
Oh, sorry. No more messing around.
'Cause in the night we save the
Hey, Cameron, what are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, this is harder than it looks.
Yeah, but I'll show you how.
Check it out! It's walking!
Yeah, and smelling a yummy cookie.